Hello everyone, it's me Dio, and today I'm reviewing the Despicable Me 3 Fortress Break-In. And this is the front of the box, the back of the box, and yeah. So let's go when it's built. Bye. So everyone, this is a finished product. Here's one of the minions. It's fake back. Here's a Warline minion that have no weapons. Here's the purple bad minion. You can make its hair go wherever you want it to go. Make it look like this, or like this. And here, they just peekaboo this. Or like go like this, that back one as well. And you can reenact your favorite scenes from the movie. Yeah, if you like and subscribe. Goodbye. Goodbye.